Hi yogis, namaste, Melissa here from Mystical Stone. Welcome to your day 12 of our 30-day journey. For today's practice, we're going to be needing a candle, as you can see, and you want to place it on a table and slightly away from you. You're going to sit up tall and just plant your feet comfortably on the ground, and you can place something under your seats to tilt your pelvis forward slightly. Having that neutral pelvis will allow to keep your spine neutral as well. Keep your shoulders over your hips. Slightly tuck your chin onto your chest so that your gaze goes right onto your candle. So make sure that you place the candle right in that place where you don't have to be leaning forward. It's important. And then bring your hands into Gyan Mudra, so thumbs and index touch, and the other three fingers are extended, and rest your hands on your lap. Relax your shoulders back and down, and as you tuck your chin, keep your gaze on the candle. This practice is going to help us to open up the third eye or the Ajna chakra. And as you continue to observe the candle flame, notice your breath. Notice the way you are breathing right now. Grounding through your feet. Your body is relaxed, but not collapsing. Your face is relaxed, and your gaze is soft. Now focus on the flame of your candle. Notice what it's doing, if it's dancing around or is it steady. Notice the color of the flame from the bottom to the top. Don't let your mind wander. Don't force your eyes, it's important. Trataka is the name of this meditation. We can use any object to still the mind. Today is the candle flame that we will bring into the mind's eye. The idea of this practice is to draw the awareness from an external object and bringing it in to the third eye so that you can develop that inner sight, so that you might see beyond the physical eye. When we work with Ajna Chakra, we develop our intuition. Many of us already have that inner sight. However, very often we do not trust the messages from the intuition. So here, not only you are working on getting your mind settled, but also to really appreciate the images that might show up in your third eye. You may be surprised of what you can see when your eyes are closed. We'll take one more breath here. And when you are ready, close your eyes and draw your eyes to the space between the eyebrows. Keep your gaze here and observe. So some of you right away will see the candle showing up in the third eye. For some of you, the image will blink. For some of you will stay and eventually will fade away. So once again, don't strain your inner eye or your third eye to keep the image. Just observe what is showing up and relax into that image. Breathe. If you do not see it showing up, use your imagination. Remember what your candle looks like and imagine it at the center of your forehead between the eyebrows. Breathe. We'll take one more breath, full deep breath. And when you're ready on your next exhalation, tuck your chin onto your chest and open your eyes. Bring your gaze forward. Bring your hands together at the center of the heart. And as always, we're gonna shower ourselves with our own good vibes and shake off all the rest. Thank you, yogis. Have a fantastic day. Namaste.